Any website showing for not secure, how to moving for the secure website. This is mean by that is called SSL activation. SSL activation, secure socket layer. Any website, the SSL will be two types. Go ivv.com. See, this is a company SSL. This is the efficient cost by using bank will be provided by this SSL. Depend on cost will be start for 50 to up to lakhs. This will be yearly payment. What I am doing for is my service. My website will be not e-commerce. This will be not secure to secure. That is called you can using for secondary level coding. This is your code. This code we can upload on where the option called htaccess file. The code upload by htaccess file. Select your option, file manager. In this public underscore HTML, select your .htaccess file. Right click, edit. Select your code, paste it. Now click for save changes. Copy the URL. Previous not secure. Now showing for secure. Secure will be showing for log symbol HTTP. Yes. This is called to activate your website not secure to secure website. Is it clear? This is called activation SSL on your website. This is a secondary SSL. Primary one to link with your banks. That is only eligible by the company related SSL. This is a primary. Second will be secondary. This is called activation for this bank. This will be activation for your service-based website. Without e-commerce, use this code. The code will eligible by e-commerce and any website, but need by the your company SSL. You have to purchase by through banks. That is only eligible by the e-commerce portal. Who can pay by amount by online in the same website? They will provide by SSL through their company. Is it clear? This is there is true bank. This will do for by digital marketing person. Is a coding. The upload for what? .htaccess file. This code total will be hide code on your website. It's very important to activate SSL option.